solo pilots will next demonstrate the inverted flight capability of the F-18. Approaching inverted from the left and right, they will roll their aircraft 360 degrees crossing center point. The opposing inverted to inverted rolls. To the left, the Diamond is approaching for their next maneuver. Approaching center point on Commander Bernacchi's command, all 4 pilots will simultaneously roll their aircraft 360 degrees as they perform the Diamond Aileron Roll. Here's Commander Bernacchi.
I'll let her go.
Rolled their aircraft 270 degrees and crossed with minimum separation. Observe as both pilots sustained 6 times the force of gravity to cross. Completing the roll to the right, observe as the 3 wingmen smoothly shift back into the Blue Angel Diamond. Now that Blue Angels 5 and 6 have your attention, you have seen firsthand the ability to
I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Achilles and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fists. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list. But she said, where'd you wanna go? How much you